YouTube. This is the last of the bag that we have been working on. This right here is a pile that I untangled from that last video. So let's get through this part here. Then we'll go through the untangled. So we have the cute little earring here. It's quite faded. Put that over to the side. This is a cute little girly pin. I don't know what it's for. It says So Beautiful, S-E-W, and it says 1992. So it's a sewing pin. I'll have to look further into that. But that's pretty cool. Put it with our pins. I'm going to put you a little bit closer. There we go. Here's another pin. It's a little flower. Very cute. This, we have the match to that, and then I have this little thing to go with it. And I think these are old style cufflinks, and this might be something you hang from a tie or a button. Yeah, this goes into a button. But there's 3 of them, so I'll look further into that. Some little flowers. Some little random tiny earrings. These little tiny earrings. That's pretty. Little button earring. More little earrings. Oh, I wonder what this was. I can't tell what it was. It looks like it might have been on something. Maybe, it's so tiny. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'll have to look into it. This earring, I think we have a match for. We do. Voila. Nice. It's a pretty necklace. Pretty long. It looks like, oh okay, it goes like this. So that's nice. And we have these little ones. Some more little tiny ones. Let's take a look at this one. Looks a little wore out. I don't see any markings. But I'll have to clean it up real good. Got a lot of the green patina on there. Pretty. This one I know I have right here. So we have another pair. And this one I think we have as well. Let me just look here. Yep, right here. So beautiful rhinestones. I like those. And then this one, I think we have a pair right here. Right there. So we have a pair of big hoops. So, alright, now let's get to these necklaces I untangled. This one is really pretty. It's black with rhinestones. Little doohickey there. Dangle doohickey. This one is pretty. It's got like glass baubles. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. See if we can make sure not to tangle them back up. This is different. It's just really different. It's silver tone and very lightweight. I think those beads are plastic. This one is really different. There's no tag on it like it belongs to anybody in particular, but look at that. It's got plastic coins, plastic beads. The chain is a little heavy, but like this plastic flower, these little tassels, different. Oops. So that's different. Here's another black one. We got a couple of more black ones. That one's pretty. The long one. Then we got this black one. Now this one right here, whew, it is heavy, and it's this piece right here that's heavy. It's like, I don't know what it's like. It's got marcasite on the front, this open work on the back. Real pretty. Very, very heavy. Let's see. We got this one that's stuck. So we'll start with that. This one's real pretty, and I think it goes with those earrings we just found. Very pretty. And then we have this one. Little pink plastic stone looking thing with a little tassel at the bottom. And a nice long chain. A couple of little pink crystals there. And we have this with 2 keys. This is made by AEO, so American Eagle Outfitters. I love the keys. Love, love, love keys on a necklace. So cute. Then there's this one, and it's not made by anyone in particular. This is 2 necklaces. There's this, and it looks like it's missing something there, but it is pretty. And then we have this last one, which is really tangled up, but it's got this nice heavy stone at the bottom, a leaf, and then a coin. So very cute. Alright, let's get to the rest of this pile. Hey, we have this earring right here. Yay. Another pair. And get this out. We have this earring. Those are beautiful. What is this? Oh, it's a little worry doll. Interesting. It's made out of wire though, and then it's wire wrapped. Interesting. It's an earring. This is pretty. My daughter might like this. It's got that rhinestone in the middle, and it's on a leather band. Looks brand new. I'll put that aside for Dre. Baby Dre. This is pretty. Little dainty necklace. She will love that as well. This is different. It's a heavy acrylic necklace. Like that. This is gray, black, and white. Oh, we got an earring stuck here, and it is one of those faces which we have sitting right here. Yeah. Another pair. So that one's a nice necklace. It's like a statement necklace. I thought we had one of these already. We might not have. Sometimes I feel like I see things in double. No, but that's different. And then we have a little Christmas tree. That thing is tiny. And, oh, what's this? Cute little bracelet. It's got a cherry, a heart, a bow, a little squirrel, and then it says hope. How cute. It's a cute little bracelet. Lots of little charms on it. This is very interesting. Beaded necklace. It's quite cute. It's broken, but it's easily fixed. That, or I'll put it in the bead box and someone can repurpose the beads. So we'll see. We'll see how that turns out. Little orange or ball earring. And that one also looks familiar. Here we go. There it is. Got a pair. What's this? It's a beaded anklet. Very pretty. Someone did a great job with the crystals and everything. It's got a good little clasp on it. Nice. We'll put it in with our bracelets. This is a multi-strand black necklace. Nice clasp on it. No one made it in particular, but that's nice. That's perfect for like New Year's. Another earring. Yep. And we got this one. So we have a pair of those. This one I know we pulled out before. It's got the little crosses on there, and there she is. Perfect. Trying to get to this big old heart. Look at that heart. You know, I may use this heart to take pictures with jewelry and stuff. It's so cute. It's big. It doesn't really belong on this chain, but we'll think about that. Oh my God. This one. This one is tied to that one, but it's a mother of pearl with a metal heart. Very pretty. That's the necklace there, and then there's this random earring. Then there's this tassel necklace. And here is that random, not random heart, but heart with a metal heart on the back. So that needs to be untangled. It got retangled. And I think we had this one. Yep, there it is. A couple of pieces of wood. Very cute. These are those random shell bracelet or necklaces you will always find in every box or every bag. There. This one looks pretty. Kind of reminds me of a blue one I got like this. That's gorgeous. Looks like it's all there. The clasp is good. There's an earring, big pearl, and that makes a pair. And we have a chain. Let's see. Nope, not marked with anything. But it's a good chain, so it'll make a good chain for a charm. Then we have these random little earrings. Here's that other Christmas tree. So we now have 2 trees, and I'll have to look for it because it's so tiny it got lost over there. This one I think we have. I think so. Here it is. Yep, so we got a pair there. And this one, didn't we just put in our pile? Yep, right there. Right there. It's a pretty bracelet. It's chocolate with these gold beads. It's got a nice little clasp on it. My daughter might like that. I'm going to show it to her and see if she likes it. It's very pretty. Okay. It's a statement necklace. Very pretty. And then this is a stretchy bracelet, but I have never seen beads like this. These are really cute. Pretty. And then we have little tiny earrings and backs. Oh, that's a cute earring. I know I don't have that one because I would have remembered seeing it. It's tin, made out of tin. These are those little earrings you always get at the bottom of bags and stuff. The earring backs. I think I have this one. Yeah, so it just needs a fish hook. That one. Here's one of those little pins, little stick pins. It's not made by anybody in particular. We'll put that in our pin box. But that's it, guys. We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short, but we do have 2 big old bags again to go through. And I hope you visit us on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.